Here's how to use Walmart Pay at a Walmart self-checkout by scanning the QR code displayed on the register with the Walmart app rather than tapping the phone like Apple Pay in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to scan and pay correctly without using contactless tapping. This involves a payment transaction, so review your payment method and purchase total before confirming the payment. First, scan all your items at the Walmart self-checkout register. Each item will appear on the screen and your running total will update. Continue scanning until everything you want to buy is in the cart. Then follow the checkout prompts on the register until you reach the payment screen. Next, open the Walmart app on your iPhone or Android phone. Find and tap Walmart Pay, then complete any PIN, passcode, or biometric check requested. Your selected payment method will appear on the Walmart Pay screen. Then look at the self-checkout register. You should see a QR code on the payment screen. This is the important part. Do not tap your phone against the register like Apple Pay. Walmart Pay uses a QR code scan instead. After that, hold your phone over to the QR code so the Walmart app can scan it. Keep the code inside the camera area until the app recognizes it. Once the scan succeeds, the register should process your payment and show a confirmation. Now check your phone for the payment confirmation or electronic receipt. If the QR code will not scan, reposition your phone directly over the code and keep the entire code visible on screen. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Walmart Pay manually in the Walmart app, confirm your saved payment method, then return to the register and scan its QR code. Do not use your phone's NFC tap function for this payment method. Once everything is set, the self-checkout will confirm your payment and the Walmart app can provide your electronic receipt. Following these simple steps makes using Walmart Pay as self-checkout quick and easy.